gonna be one of those mornings. We bullish on NASDAQ, so we just waiting. Same thing with, S&P and oil. Bullish. So we're waiting. I don't see sales at all. Like visually, I can't see sales. I struggle with that, so something I have to work on, but I miss a lot of sales because I just can't see them as well as buys. Where's that invert scoop? Let me turn this back before I mess up. Forget. S&P took off without me this morning. This could have been an entry right here, 810. But no, I don't look at the charts until 8:30. Could have been a decent little right there. Would have been take profit. Quick scalp. Kicking myself yesterday. I took a buy on NASDAQ on the 1 minute, which I constantly tell myself stay off of. Took the entry over here and got out as I saw a small minor baby pullback on the 1 minute. Had I stayed on the 5 like I intended, I mean, look at that. That was nice. That would have been nice. So it is my mission to stay off the 1 minute when I'm trying to hold a trade. Let's look at that while we wait. So I got in here roughly, had a little pullback, and then it just took off. And then, I mean, when you blow it up like this looks like a huge move. I was trailing the 1 minute on this 1127 candle right here. Trailed it too close, took me out and kept going. After that, I just left for the day. Now, had I not trailed that on the 1 minute, I mean, look at that. That's heartbreaking. That is heartbreaking. So it is what it is. I am, let's see, $1,300 into, no, I'm $1,700 away from my $3,000 target with Top Step. I've just been slow dragging, taking really low risk trades, just not following. You know what it is? I've gotten this far and I'm not really willing to lose it. So I've been taking real small risks. $90, $100 wins, whereas I was risking $200-$300 and hitting one or twos, $500, $600, $700 wins. But now I'm like, man, I don't want to lose that much money because I'm so close. I mean, I'm still a little over halfway there, but it's like, man, haven't been confident in my setups, haven't been confident in my entries. That mess with you. If you'd be so kind, I'd love if you could smash the like button. Be greatly appreciated. If you're not subscribed, I'd love for you to subscribe. I'm trying to do this Monday through Friday, 8:30 until sometimes life gets in the way, but that's the goal. At minimum, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But right now we're Monday through Friday, 8:30 until that's Central Time. People's oil is just making me sick. All right, put an alert on oil, looking for a pullback. Let's focus on NASDAQ and S&P. we got 8 minutes left on the hour. Let's just sit still. man. Okay, had to make a call. Not sure if I would have taken that entry, but it did look delicious. It looks delicious, as Babe would say. Hey D, thanks for joining. You ain't D to me. You babe. Stop playing. Thanks for supporting me. Okay, sorry. So as I was saying before, I had to take the call. Just waiting. We're just waiting. Nasdaq is bullish all day. S&P is bullish all day. So I'm just waiting on the pullback. With the thoughts of it continuing up, but we'll see. We get a break below this support here on S&P or ES, then I'll look for sales. As I mentioned, I don't really do well with sales, but gotta learn, right? Gotta learn. So right now I'm just waiting, looking and waiting and looking. So right now, NASDAQ and ES are doing, NQ and ES are doing opposites. The hour just closed, nice bearish push on NQ, and the very opposite on, look at this, on ES over here. So, just waiting. Just picked up this stream deck this weekend. Nice feature. Didn't think I was really going to use it, but I'm starting to like it as I'm figuring it out. Yeah. Okay, so mark up this price trap right here. Yeah, I'm staying off that 1 minute, man. That messed me up bad personally. What news do we have this week? Anything tomorrow? Nothing major tomorrow. Thursday. Jobless claims. We got some oil news. So this is a level of, actually this should say, our resistance. See if it gets respected. Considering sales on ES. Short, quick sales. Because again, I'm bullish. Considering taking one contract just to see what happens. I hate saying that. One contract as a filler. Guess that's the same thing, isn't it? No, I'm sticking with my bullish bias. I'm favoring my bullish bias, but I would look at sales if that's what the market tells me it's doing. So, all right. It's so hard to watch two instruments. Dang. Turn this mic up too. Test, test, test. This 15-minute is engulfing. Let's Let's see what that looks like. If it does close as such, stops will be below here. Back up to these highs. All right, that's only a 1 to 1.5. Cool, thank you. I was just told my music is too loud, mic is too low. So we reversed them. So as I was saying, we're at all-time highs. So, wait a minute. I'm thinking. Man, I sure want to sell this mug. But all I can hear is all them up candles. Okay, let's see. So we have what looks to be bullish divergence on the 5. I don't know if that's enough for me to take buys just yet. Although I do see, you know what, this I might have missed it. Shoot. Looking at the hour, we have bullish divergence. So I'm looking for buys right now. Okay, we got 2 minutes left on the 15. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. It's a nice engulfing if it holds. Come on, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? No, I don't want to do that. I'm considering taking a quick scalp, some quick sales on S&P. We'll see what happens. Small risk. I left. I only took 3 contracts because I'm really looking at NASDAQ. And if I take 5 on ES, I can't take any on NASDAQ. Come on, drop. Drop that big old butt. I don't plan on holding this too long. Well, let's see what the hour says. Wait, it's only 20 minutes in. Let's see what the 30 looks like. Man, look at that NASDAQ. NQ. Look at this. Would you look at this? Should I add to this position? Let me know in the chat. Should I add? Man, look at NASDAQ. That would have been beautiful. Quick scalp. If we can get down here, I'll get out. I'm gonna watch this area right here though. I don't know. Because it is bullish, I'm really thinking to get out. Because it's overall bullish, I'm really thinking, yeah, get out. Thinking to get out and look for buys when the opportunity presents itself. I think that's the longer term play. If we start getting I need a closure below this area. You mother. Okay, 5:44 left on the 15. That's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good so far, but 5 minutes is a lot of time. Now I'm kicking myself for not taking 5 contracts. All right, this is the area I want to, or is it this area? Come on. Come on. Starting to see a reaction. You know, I always struggle with, do I close some and leave a runner, or do I just let it all run? That's a struggle for me. That's a struggle. Especially when it gets to an area of that I may be concerned about. Because I don't want to give anything back. You know what? We're going to close off. That's what we'll do. And then we'll look to, what the heck? And then we'll look for another enter some more positions. Put stops at break even. If it pulls up, gives me another entry, then I may consider taking another, entering another contract. And again, the only reason I'm doing that is because I really feel like buys are the way to go. Look at this reject. Would you look at this? It's bullish, so I don't want to hold the scalp too long and turn it into a swing trade. Somebody said, I heard someone say, oh shoot, a swing trade is a scalp gone wrong. Man, that is so true. You know what? Let me look at NASDAQ because I'm thinking to take a buy over here. Okay, let me focus. This 15 is rejecting with just under 2 minutes left. Should have closed everything here. Sorry. Yeah, I think I'm going to close this and close that and look to see what the market wants to do. You mother. Dang. Come on, hold on, wait up, wait for me. See a little bit of pullback on NASDAQ, then I'm taking buys. That's the thought. Not yet. I took that a little too early, a little earlier than I wanted to. Shoot. Took that way too early. Oh shoot, my stop is not supposed to be that far down. ES. Gone. All right, let's I'm gonna switch over to NASDAQ on the 15. Now, NASDAQ is notorious for coming down, snatching your money, and then continuing up. So we shall see. Maybe I should put my stop back where it was. Let's see. No, we'll leave it. Mm, mm, mm. ES is respecting that hour high, which is concerning. But we're going to sit in it. I've been shortchanging myself for the last 2 weeks. We all in. We all in today. Cutting trades short. Taking partials too early. Looking at the 1 minute, getting scared because of a small pullback. Nah. We either going to hit TP or we're going to get stopped out. Preferably the latter, the former. Mm-mm-mm. 2189.5. 2189.5. Why this mug always got to play at my entry? Go on. Get on away from around here. Go on. Get on away from around here now. I don't like that. Just no movement. I feel like I should give my stop just a little bit more room. Back to where I initially had it. this mug. That's the wrong way, man. Shoot. This is a very weak 15-minute candle. $30 ain't looking so hot itself. I don't like that on that hour. 20 minutes left on the hour. 18 minutes. Hey, Andrew. Thanks for stopping in. You take any trades today? It's not looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. Yeah, ES is dropping too. Shoot. Would you take? Long on, okay. Do we cut our losses, people? Or do we let it hit stop loss? Did you win that trade? All right. That's not looking good. So we get stopped out. We'll just look for another entry. Okay. Profit is good. Are you trading a challenge or are you using your own funds? I was trading Forex until I was taking challenges in Forex with some of the different prop firms, but when they started acting crazy with the Forex, came over the futures. But I understand you fine. I'm considering taking a position on ES. I don't know if I want to risk that much though. I'm already over here with 3 contracts on NQ. Man, I honestly think I will wait for buys above this resistance on on ES, just because it's having trouble. Yeah, this is a 50K challenge with Top Step. I don't know if you were on earlier, but I said I've been babying this account, not taking my full risk, and this is the most profit that I've been in. So I'm like, I don't want to risk it, but I mean the account is only like $30, so it's like, what am I tripping on? Well, it's not about the money. It's about I'm up almost $1,500. I don't want to have to start over, you know. But I'm never going to get there taking $50 risks. I think this mug is bearish. Gonna switch on me. I just need this to be respected. Right there. That level. I just need some respect down there. Come on. Come on. The old me would have closed out like as it started breaking down here. And I don't know if that's good or bad because if I do get stopped out, if I close up here, I save a little bit of risk, cut a little risk. But at the same time, I should be okay with risking this amount, right? So I'm staying in it. That is definitely something I struggle with. Knowing the amount I'm risking, being okay with it before I take the trade, but then don't want to let it hit stop loss. Or TP for that matter. Shoot. Appreciate you coming back in, joining me again, Andrew. Much appreciated. Come on. This mug is slow dragging. As I'm looking, this was actually not a good play because I got into early. I mean, if you look, it's still making lower lows. So I didn't see that before I took the entry. I just saw this big candle here. And slight rejection down here, but that should not have been enough to take a buy. Considering, oh shoot, that should not have been enough to take a buy, but I did it. I'm in it. I got to live with it. I think I need to change this bias right now. Yeah. Whatever. See there. No, you know what? Hold on. It's starting to break that low. Need a break retest. Yeah, I'm about to get tapped out. If I'd have stayed in this ES, I'd have got tapped out. Only for it to continue to come down. So my stop should have been at least up here somewhere. But will this get respected? Nah. You know, I've looked at volume indicators. I haven't studied them enough to be using them right now. It's something I should probably look at offline or whatever. But I've tried to stay away from indicators, at least like the EMAs and stuff like that. I don't have enough information about volume. What indicator do you use? Thanks, D. I love it too. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's making sense to take the L right here. Low, 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 low. Making another low. Oh shoot, what is it, 10 o'clock? So I do have, where is it at? This volume. I don't know which one of these to use though. Actually, let me try and see what the VWAP says. Yeah. Had I had that on, I probably wouldn't have been looking for buys. But the VWAP is not something I have a lot of information on. I've seen a lot of successful traders use it. So I started to look at it, but I don't know just yet if that's the route for me. Okay, yeah. I think this is it. This is over with. It's over with. If I don't get some buyers stepping in here, it's gonna be a one and done day for me. Sorry, people, I'm on a call. All right. Sorry, I'm back. Had a call. Let's see. I'm looking for a second entry, y'all. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Hey, Andrew, thanks for messaging that you didn't hear me, but I was on a call. Down 188 for the day. Still below what I would normally risk, so I'm okay looking for another entry. Let's see. If this mug respect this, I'm gonna be sick. All right, sorry, I just got to regroup. Regroup. I'm still bullish, so I should have gotten out when I saw this volume here. But like I said, I'm trying to take a trade. I just like the way, I mean, they both move pretty similar, but I just like the amount of money I could make with NQ over SP. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. I might just have to take this L and keep on stepping for today. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button. I'd sure appreciate it. Like it says in the title, I'm just a novice trader. Just out here trying to figure this out live in front of you. It's definitely a challenge with eyes on you. But I will say it does help me to try to stick to my plan. It's definitely a different beast trading with people watching you versus by yourself. Yeah, I'm thinking long too. I'm just waiting to see if I see my signal. Heck, I'm thinking long on both, to be honest. Just waiting to see something that tells me to go long. like that. You know what? That M1, I tried to trade that, and let me show you. Yesterday, where was it at? Here was my trade yesterday. Let me go to the 1 minute. Oops. So here's my trade yesterday, taking on the 1 minute. It was doing nice. I mean, I hit TP, I hit my target, but I got out when I saw a little bit of pullback and got taken out. Had I stayed on the 5 like I want to do, I would have stayed in that trade. I would have definitely stayed in. And I mean, look where it went. So the 1 minute, I ain't ready for it. I'll just say it like that. I'm not ready for it. At least not to hold a trade. So maybe I can use the 1 minute to catch an entry and then go to the higher time frames and look for the bigger move. I don't know. This mug, no, look at this. Yeah, I took profit, and it was a win. So, you took a where's your entry? What's the price? I'm considering going long right now too. Uh, just want to see a little more. Because as Bay would say, all them down candles. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stick to the 5 minute, man. And I mentioned earlier, sales are so hard for me to see or trade. I see them, but I don't trade them well. You say you got stopped out on Nasdaq or NQ? Nasdaq. That's my old forex days. I'm gonna buy. Dang, I wanted to buy down there. Shoot. Yeah. There's nothing there. Okay, I gotta be patient because I want to buy, but it's not ready. Not ready for what I'm looking for. When I say buy, I mean NASDAQ NQ is what I want to buy. But ES might be. Nah, I need to see some higher lows being made. Oh, okay. Did you get stopped out? Oh, you bought with a small. Okay, I got you. So I've seen this before on NASDAQ. Do we buy? We're gonna buy two. Not now, but not yet. I've seen this so many times on NASDAQ. It just pushes below that level and it just turns around and just goes. But we're gonna wait. Well, I'm gonna wait. So is ES going to respect this area of support? Demand? Whatever you want to call it. Whatever you want to call it. What did you buy at, Andrew? Just out of curiosity. $143.64. Oh yeah, you're trading Forex, aren't you? Forgot. Okay. Let me see how this 5 minute closes. 21.31. Oh, okay. Hmm. I'm sorry, I was stop was bigger. What happened to the music? My internet just went down or froze. Oh, I'm from Chicago, the Chicago area. How'd you find Forex or trading in general? Okay, I'm trying to take a small entry somewhere down here and see what happens. Thinking about it. You know, we're just gonna do this. How about this? Tight stop. Mental stop is below this 5-minute candle. I don't personally know anyone, but there is a guy that lives close to me. Um, Solo. I know so. I don't know him like I said, but I know he's not too far from me. couple towns over. Like I said, I've never met him, but just following him, I would like to believe he does what he says. So, but I don't personally know anybody. I know myself, and I'm going to be that profitable trader. I should not have taken that entry. So I'm in oil. I'm in ES and NQ, just small positions. Mental stops are below the previous 5 minute. I might be jumping the gun trying to get into these buys, but we'll see. $250 is like all the amount that I'll risk. So like I said, I'm down 188. Oh man, I'm down 188 for the day. So I got a little room to risk before I hop off the charts. I think you said last week you've been trading for 7 years, I believe you said. Is that right? I don't know why I took this at the high. That was not smart. Five years, okay. How long, and I know this is a dumb question, but it's just a FYI question. I don't, obviously my life, my trading, my journey is different than yours. But how long did it take before you became profitable? Oh yeah, I also want to ask you, what is your strategy? Like, what's your strategy? Okay, as I'm looking at the higher time frame, that might be too tight of a stop, just below that previous 5. So We'll see. Nice. Hey, keep on with the journey, man. Keep on with the journey. We see it's possible, right? We know we might not personally know anyone that's profitable or living off of trading, but we know it is possible just based on the profits that we have seen, right? So that's what keeps me going. I don't necessarily have to know anybody, but I know what's obtainable or what can be achieved. Oh, you know what? You did tell me that. I'm sorry, you did tell me that. But I don't think you told me what VSA is. Do you look at anything higher than the 15 or those are just your entry timeframes? Come on, I need some buyers stepping in, man. Shoot. Volume spread analysis. Okay. I don't like NASDAQ right now. Oh, you definitely can, man. You definitely can. We see it, right? We see it. And I don't even mean the influencers who are, on YouTube and social media. I mean, we see it. We know it can be done. Even if you look at traders who are not on social media, right? The Soros and so forth. We know it can be achieved. I need NASDAQ to get a close above, man. Shoot. In hindsight, I should have taken 3 contracts on ES and 2 on NASDAQ. Kind of scared of NASDAQ. I don't like the way it's I don't like that price action. No volume. Just go. Just go, man. Did I ask you what volume indicator do you use since you mentioned it earlier? I would have loved to have gotten into S&P or ES on this candle here when it rejected. Target point, ideally to make back what I lost. But I don't know, to be honest. I really want to see what happens when it gets back up to this hour resistance. And if it shows me that it wants to continue, then I'm just going to let it run. So I don't have a target to answer your question. I'm just looking to see where it goes. Simple volume. Okay. I'm just looking to see where it goes, man. I'll just start to pay attention once it gets back into this area. Matter of fact, let me put a alert here. The high of the day would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. Are you back in? Are you back in the buys? Did you re-enter? Hey, you gotta aim big, right? You have to aim big. But I hear you, man. My goals are not only, I mean, I obviously want to be profitable, but I know there are so many people that don't know about this. I'm sorry. There are so many people that don't know about trading. And I'm 52. And for me, I want to get to a point where I want to get to a point where I can share this with others who are of my age, who are, closing in on retirement and just don't know where that retirement money is coming from, if Social Security is going to be there, retirement, all that. So, and just give an opportunity to create additional income, and even bigger than that, just generational wealth. That's like my big plan. But I don't want to do it like your favorite influencer. I don't want to do it that way as far as how, with the flashy this, flashy that. So I haven't quite figured out how to do that. But step one is to become profitable, consistently profitable. And then my goal again is to learn everybody, teach everybody those who are interested, how to trade, how to supplement their income. Yeah, I'm 52, 53 in September. So obviously I want to, build businesses, buy more rentals and things like that. That's my personal, but I want to leave something bigger than myself. I want to leave something or help someone share this with other people, That's my ultimate goal. I mean, I know it's like cliche and it's the right thing to say or whatever, but that's really what I want to do, man. I just have to figure out how to get it done, how to do it where it doesn't come off flashy or whatever. So, thank you. Appreciate it, man. I really do. I really do. Uh, And one of the reasons I started streaming, um, as I mentioned earlier, it helps me stay focused, or the hope is to help me stay focused and take the trades that I would normally take, follow my strategy, which is engulfing off of support or demand or whatever you want to call it. Break and retest. Those are the strategies that I like to follow. And I figured if I get online and trade live, it help, teaching people or sharing with people helps me, remember this is my strategy. This is what I'm supposed to do. This is how I'm supposed to do it. So that's one reason. And then two, like I mentioned, my goal is just to find individuals who are in the same age bracket as me who want to supplement their income or even build generational wealth. So, and don't get me wrong, I want the R8s and the, that's my dream car. I've already bought my first dream car, which is a Cadillac CTSV. I have that. But I mean, everybody wants to, not everybody, but I want some toys. Nothing wrong with that. But the bigger goal is to build some businesses, create employment, things like that. I want to, and then, leave a legacy for the kids. Yeah, I've tried to reach out to a few people, but the ones that I have found, and I hope this isn't breaking up because I see I'm getting some errors again. But the ones that I did or have reached out to, they're too busy making YouTube videos and showing their cars and things like that. So I don't mind learning or getting more information, but I think I say in my bio, my profile that it's me against me, you against you. I'm not looking for advice. I don't want advice. I'm not giving advice. I don't mind hearing what you're doing, but I hate when people say, oh, you need to be doing this or you need to trade this way or follow. I'm not going to name any names, but I'm sure you've heard of some of the bigger names. You need to follow ABC strategy. I'll just say it like that. And that just doesn't work for everybody. So, like I said, I don't mind asking and, hey, how do you do this? Why do you do that? But I really prefer not to get on anybody's stream and tell them what they should do, nor do I want anyone to come on and tell me what I should do. And it's not an ego thing. It's just sharing is different than telling me, right? So that's how I look at it. But I'm definitely open to be taught something different and learn something different or look at it a different way because I'm still a novice. I'm still figuring it out. Are you self-taught or did you have a course or a mentor? How did you learn? If you're just joining or if you've been here a while and you have not hit the like, I would really appreciate it. Just trying to grow. And like I said, I want to do something different than the influencers that we see and we grow. We love. I mean, it's nothing wrong with showing off or showing what you've come from. There's nothing wrong with that. But I just want to do something different. Haven't quite figured out how, but that's the goal. Okay, cool. God, dog, I keep doing that. So I hate, as much as I want to hold these trades, I hate giving money back because you just don't know if this mug is going to come back, take you out, and you could have had some money. Because right now I'm down. If I close right now, I'm down $80 for the day. I mean, that's better than 180, right? But I mean, do we hold? Because it's been here before, or do we just close out with a smaller loss than we were expecting to have? Hoping no one will grow till 20. Yeah, I hear you, man. But I don't like how aggressive that's coming back. But I do struggle with getting in a trade and holding it. These pullbacks, they're not anything nice, especially because we haven't started making higher lows. So I'm kind of concerned about this. But the only way for me to get better is to stay in it, right? Yeah. Right? Close or stay. Close or stay. We staying, man. We're staying. We can't know everything, but I'm staying. I have to be better at holding my trades. And that's one thing I like about Top Step. I don't have to worry about the drawdown like I did with Apex. You know, you get up, you better take that money. With Top Step, at least I could try to stay in the trade longer without fear of losing the money on the drawdown or the pullback. Oh, you know what? I want to study these Heikenaishi candles. There's a guy that I watch. His name is Huvier, something like that. I hope I'm saying it right. He trades with Heikenaishi, so I was like, let me take a look at him. So let's watch these and see what happens. I will say I feel less stressed when I trade with the Heikenaishi because I don't see all that up and down movement. But I don't fully know how to watch them or trade them. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put on my other monitor, regular old Japanese candles on the 5-minute on both NASDAQ and ES and see how they move in comparison. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to that cat. Young cat too, 20 something. I don't know. Hoovier Gems or something like that. I don't know. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm actually getting ready to sign off myself. I have somewhere to be, so I appreciate you checking in with me and staying with me and being engaged. Really cool, really helpful, man. So, hey, you have a great day too. Hopefully, we'll see you soon. Take care. Okay, people. If you're still watching, I appreciate it. I have to call it a day. It's almost 11. I have some running around to do, but if you came, watched, stayed with me, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Uh, Hopefully, I was able to share something that made sense. Like I said, ultimately, I like to be in a position where I know exactly what I'm doing. Obviously, won't always be right, but be in a position where I can help and share with others. So, thank you for watching. I am going to sign off, and happy trading, everybody. Hope you have a profitable day. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, 8:30. Until. All right, it's your boy, Mr. Bankable. We're down. We got an L. Wait, is it that way? We took an L, but we're gonna get it back. So we're gonna claim a W. It's your boy, Mr. Bankable. We out.